Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red macarons. Achieving that perfect, vibrant red color and delicate texture requires precision. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to mastering the macaronage technique. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these beautiful, delicious treats. Let's dive into the steps to create stunning red macarons from scratch. For our red macarons, you'll need precise measurements. Start with 100 grams of finely sifted almond flour and 100 grams of powdered sugar. For the meringue, gather 70 grams of aged egg whites and 75 grams of granulated sugar. Don't forget a good quality red gel food coloring to achieve that striking hue. Having all your ingredients pre-measured ensures a smooth process. The macaronage phase is crucial for perfect shells. Gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a ribbon. This ribbon stage is key. Then, pipe uniform circles onto your baking mat or parchment paper. Let them rest for about 30 minutes or until a skin forms before baking at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. Once your beautiful red macaron shells are completely cooled, it's time for the best part, filling them. A classic vanilla buttercream or a raspberry ganache works wonderfully. Pipe a generous amount onto one shell and gently sandwich it with another. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Store your finished macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator for optimal flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade red macarons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.